Hey guys, this is Dylan here. I've never been on this account for 4 years. Literally, I'm gonna show you my whip. I have 2 of them now. Christmas 2016. I have a Sims seat. This is bike check Sims seat. I got it off my new bike, and there's no seat clamp on it. And watch, I'm trying to put it down. I can't put it down because the seat post is from here to there. It's pretty weird. Yeah, I have La Casa pegs. Sorry, my room's dirty. Miracle front tire. United Supreme SU2 forks. Redline hollow point stem. Vise Miami Rise Bar. Snafu black peg, back peg. My other bike. I'm gonna go show you it right now. Okay, so this is my newer bike I just got today. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. So this is my Sims decade, or what year. So I'm gonna be doing this bike check. Most of it's stock. Sims front wheel. Same with back. I have a 32 or something. Big sprocket. I hate those. It's gonna be my dirt BMX. Same in the back. I have black label pedals. ODI long neck grips. Black label bar ends. Fit pivotal seat, which is off my other one because I was riding this today. 3-piece cranks, I think. I'm pretty sure 3-piece. With the crappy bearing. I'm gonna put this front rim, these cranks, pedals, grips, well, maybe bar ends on my bike. I just took this La Casa sticker off my bike because I was gonna put pegs on it, but now I'm not, because this is gonna be the dirt bike, dirt BMX. I have green bars. So this is my Christmas present. We also got a Xbox One S today, and I never had an Xbox One before. I wanted one for Christmas, but yeah, I got one. And I wanted a Sunday, and I got this bike. If it was a Sunday, I would have been giving away my Haro, well, selling it for, I don't know, $100. Instead I got this, so I'm barely going to ride this, and it's going to be for dirt only. I like these pedals. I want to see if I can put these pedals on my bike. If I can, I will. I like these black label ones, so peace out, guys. Subscribe. Follow me on Google Plus at Dylan's Here. Subscribe to my other channel. Dylan_BMXing, and my gaming channel, subscribe to that, Sprocket Gaming. So yeah, green.